Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today, Hui?
I'm very happy.
Happy. That's great. Have you eaten the dinner? Have you eaten the
Yes,
dinner tonight? Yes, of course, right? Yep. Did you go to school today?
yes.
What time have you finished the school? What time have you finished at the school? 5 p.m. or 4 p.m.?
4 p.m.
Oh, 4 p.m. That's nice. Mm, Tell me, at the school today, have you learned English?
Yes.
Tell me, what is the name of teachers that you learn? What is the teacher name at the school? What is English teachers? Ah,
Miss Ha, Miss Ha,
Miss Hua, right?
Miss Ha.
Miss Ha, sorry. Yeah, okay. Yep. So nice. And today we had the TED, right, Minghui?
Yes.
Good job. And first of all, I want to introduce a little bit about yourself. Can you do
Yeah.
that? Yep. Okay. Let's tell me about the name, the age, the house. Sorry. Something like the family, the school. Okay. Minghui, the
Yeah.
turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go.
Mm. Hello, everyone. My name is Minh. I'm n- I'm 8 years old, and I come from Hanoi. I'm still in class B23. Favorite thing to do is jazz because makes me feel happy. At school, I really enjoy playing basketball because it's fun. In my free time, I slowly play football. My favorite food is chicken, and my favorite drink is water. There are 4 people in my family:
Mhm.
my mother, father, and my brother. They are very good and always make me happy. That's all about me. Thank, thank you for listening.
Okay, I got it. That's good. Is they that do you have a little brother? Do you have a little brother? Yes or no? Little brother. No, you don't have little brother. Oh, that's good. So let's start with part two of this step for you. Yes.
Yes,
Minghui, please tell me the name of the story. Have you learned?
Tony Summer.
Tony Summer. That's good answer. Have you learned it? Hui?
Yes,
Of course. Yes,
um,
all right. Wonderful. Now, part two for you. I want to use presentation about the paragraph. Yep. I will check the pronunciation, intonation, maybe our body language. Yes.
yeah.
You have 1 minute, Minghui. The turn. Go.
Hi, it's Tony. I'm very excited because summer is here. My family is go to the beach next week. There are so many fun things to, to do at the beach. I can build a sand castle with my brother and make a grand amazing sand fort. I can slow collect seashells with my six sister and make rock her 14 bounty.
Yes, okay. Nicely. Now, let's ready with part three. It's a mini story, Mingwei. Okay, hands
Yeah,
up. Give me the hand. Powerful. Are you ready?
yes,
Good job. Hi, this is Tony. I'm excited because I'm here. Ooh.
Oh,
Tell me the name of the man.
Tony.
Tony, yep, okay. And is Tony sad about the summer here?
Yes.
Tony feels sad about the summer here?
No.
No, Tony wasn't feel sad because summer here. And is that Tony excited because summer here?
Yes.
Yes. And how was Tony feel when it's summer here?
Tony feels excited.
That's right. Yep. Okay. And which season is here? Winter or summer? Which season is here?
Summer.
Summer. And then that's right. Wonderful. Yep. And my family is going to the beach next week. Who is going to the beach next week? Who is going to the beach next week? His?
It's Tony and my family.
Yes, Tony and his family. And what is his family doing at the beach? What is his family doing? Going to the
Beach.
Going to the beach. That's good. And there are so many fun things is here. Okay. And tell me, what are there at the beach? What are there at the beach? So many tree or so many fun things at the beach.
Fun thing.
Yes, so many fun things to do at the beach. Yep. All right. And tell me, can Tony build sandcastle with his mom?
No.
No. Can Tony build sandcastle with his brother?
Yes.
Yes. And who can Tony build sandcastle with?
Brother.
Yeah, with his brother. And what can Tony do with his brother? What can
Build,
Tony do? Tony
build a
do?
castle. Build a sandcastle.
Yes, Tony built sandcastle with his brother. Wonderful. Okay, and tell me, how is frog? That's Tony make it. How is frog? That Tony make it. Amazing,
Sandcastle.
amazing grand sand fort. Yes, amazing grand sand fort. Great job. Okay, wonderful. So I think it's that enough about this step for you and Minghui. You did very good job. Thank you so much. And let's say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.